this is not the end, and this is going to be my mini tutorial on making a slouchy tassel for hats. And I usually do this type of tassel when I'm running low on yarn and I want something to go on top of a hat. And I like how they look kind of messy, so I like them. And I got one more to do one for. Let me see if I can get this all worked out. Now I have one of these. As you can see, I have one of these. I could use it, but I remember back in the day when you didn't have these, and you would wrap your yarn around whatever was the right size of tassel you wanted to get. I remember using a crayon box, the one with the little small 8 colors in it. That's the box I would use. It would make the perfect size pom-pom. Well, I made this. It's 3.5 here and 3 here. I had to make a half to compensate for the indentation of what I'm gonna make later tying yarn. And this, yeah, you know what this is. This will help me, hopefully, in trimming everything up. So let me find my yarn. Now, I need that. Be right back. Okay, I'm gonna need about 12 inches of tying yarn. Measure. Put it up there. I'm trying to be conservative with everything because I'm running really low on yarn. I can't replace anything because they're no longer selling this, because it was part of their clearance, a special clearance for the first of the year, I believe. Okay. I'm just gonna lay this in that slot. It's not exactly even. Close enough. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap my yarn around this vertically and make sure I don't have any knots or anything. Okay, that's ready to go. Start from the back. Start wrapping. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 15. And here's my last little bit. $16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 8, 39, 40. have a tad little bit left, and I can insert that in one of the other tassels. And these were about 40 times also. Lay that up there. On my other tying yarn, which is right here. Tap really tight, as tight as I can get it. Hopefully it'll hold till I can complete the knot. Trying to keep one finger on it so I can make the second knot. Because that's really what's, yeah, just tight quick. Okay. Okay. There we have it. Excuse me, the fibers are getting in my nose, making me sneeze. Okay, I'm gonna try to trim it with this. I don't know if this will work or not. I'm gonna try. Pull it straight even in there. And move this out the way. Roll this around. And I'm gonna give it a haircut. Yeah, that did work. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna find my hook where it went. There it is. I'm gonna insert it up through here, and I'm gonna pull these two down into the inside of the hat, and I'm gonna turn it wrong side out. And I can anchor it on the other side, but I got these ending ties here where I glue everything together. That'll help. Tie to that tight, double knot it. That one. Then this one. Tie it up again. There. Put it on the right side. Ooh, I don't think I did. Oh well. Yeah, I did. It tricked me there for a minute. There's my little Slouchy tassel. Now I can trim it some more if I want to. I think I will. Find what I did with mine. There we go. So now all three of them have a little Slouchy tassel. How much yarn did I have left? I think this is all I had left. So that was pretty close. I can't do a thing with that, so it'll probably just go in the trash. Unless I thread it through and give some of these a little more poof, which probably won't be that much because it looks like, well, all of them got some kind of tassel on the top now.